10 quick ways to make money online. Online surveys. Research companies are always recruiting new members worldwide to answer surveys and test new products. For a few minutes of form filling, you can make a couple of quid, which is paid as cash or rewards. You can bag up to £3, $5 for some surveys. A few good ones to try are: become a delivery rider or driver. Got a bicycle, motorbike or car? What about a smartphone? That's all you need to make some extra money by delivering food or people whenever you've got some spare time. Sign up to delivery specialist companies like Deliveroo. You can make up to £16 an hour. Review music for money. If you love music, make it your business by reviewing unsigned bands and artists online for cash with Sliceify. It can take a while to build up your reputation. They earn £40 a month. Write and publish a Kindle ebook. If students are good at anything, it's researching and writing. With the Amazon Kindle store, anyone can publish an ebook and make money. And the Kindle app is now available on almost any device like laptops, iPads, smartphones and yes, Kindles, so your global market is huge. List your book for £1.49, £6.99 and you earn 70% of the sale. Review websites and apps for cash. Well, it seems like you're pretty nifty with a web browser. So perhaps it's time to turn pro and browse websites as a paid and fun job. Introducing usertesting.com, a new platform that pays everyday people to review all kinds of websites. Each review takes around 20 minutes and bags you $10, £6.50 via PayPal. Sell second-hand course books. One great way to make money is to buy other students' textbooks at the end of the year and then sell them just after Freshers Week, when the new intake of students know that they need them. You can either advertise on campus or list them online very easily on Amazon Marketplace. Sell on your education. Becoming a tutor to other students is easier than ever. Market was limited to local face-to-face sessions, but thanks to online tutoring sites you can go global. Udemy allows anyone to create an online course and get paid forever after as users take it up. YouTube videos. According to recent stats, we now watch more videos on YouTube than searches on Google. For YouTube Partner Program, you can profit from making and uploading videos. You will receive a percentage of the advertising revenue collected per 1,000 views. You can make a lot of money. Sell clothes on eBay. Online auctions are a surefire way to turn that sleeveless jacket into hard cash. Some eBay sellers look at trends and try to predict what will be big ahead of the market. You can buy early in bulk and sell on when the craze hits. Network marketing, also known as multi-level marketing (MLM), allows you to generate income in two ways: by making a commission selling products and by recruiting other members. The latter allows you to make money from the sales made by those you have recruited.